Good morning, friends. Today we will going to discuss and going to prove the most important theorem, Pythagoras theorem. According to the statement of Pythagoras, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Means in a right angle triangle, just opposite to the right angle, the side is considered as a hypotenuse, and the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Look here. Let us suppose that it is given that A, B, C is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then according to theorem, we have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. For this we have to make some construction. Draw the perpendicular from B to AC. BL perpendicular at AC. Now proof. Consider triangle ABC and triangle ALB. Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A. Same angle. Angle ABC is equal to angle ALB is equal to 90 degree. So by AA similarity, triangle ABC similar to triangle ALB. Since two triangles are similar, then its corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This is the property of the similar triangle. So look here, AB by AL, BC by LB, and AC by AB. Now consider these 2 points. We get AB by AL is equal to AC by AB. Then cross multiplication, we get AB square is equal to AL into AC. This is equation number 2. Now again consider triangle ACB and triangle BCL. Angle ACB is equal to angle BCL. Same angle ABC is equal to angle BLC is equal to 90 degree है. Then triangle CBA similar to triangle CLB. Then again its corresponding sides are in a same ratio. So CB by CL is equal to BA by LB and is equal to CA by CB. Now consider these two sides and we get CB square is equal to AC into CL. This is equation number 2. You can consider why we take these 2 points, why not this, because look here, AB into AB, that cross multiplication we get AB square. Similarly BC or CB or CB, that is CB square. That's why we are taking such things. Now add equation 1, add equation 2 and 3, add equation 2 and 3. Look here, what should we get? Add equation 2 or 3. This is AB square is equal to AL into AC. This is equation number 2. And BC square is equal to AC into CL. This is equation number 3. If we add these two, we get AB square plus BC square, and we can take common as AC, then AL plus CL. Look here, this is AB square plus BC square and this is AC, and from figure you can see that, you can see here AL plus CL is equal to AC, AL plus CL is equal to AC, and right here AC. So we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is our proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.